I got a Mustang back here. Thinks he wants some of the Challenger. You see him in the rear view. I don't think he's keeping up. Hello everyone, MoparDad84 here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the next mod for my Challenger, so stick around. Before we get started, please take this time to click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to me. In order for this car to reach its full potential, the channel must grow. With that out of the way, let's get on with the video. Okay, so it's raining today, so I'm not going to be putting the mod on today. I've actually been sitting on this mod for a couple months, not literally, but I've had it for a couple months, and I've just been waiting for the weather to get a little bit better. And like I said, it's raining today, so that's why I'm doing it unboxing today. And then next week, as long as the weather is permitting, I'm going to be putting these on, or I may even do it throughout the week. But then the video will be uploaded at the traditional time that I've been uploading my videos. Again, there's two boxes here. There's two boxes. Open them up and show you what the next mod is going to be there's also going to be some painting that I'm going to be doing when I put these on. So again, that's why I've been waiting for it to warm up a little bit, because it's still been a little cold. I put the piece of paper there because there's some writing there, and I don't want y'all to know what it is before I get it open. So here we go. Opening the smaller box. Oh man, they got a box inside of a box here. Figured we'd already be seeing what it is. We're down for a second. Get this little okay. So you can see there's some brakes in here. So now you got an idea about what's in these boxes here. These are power stop brakes, extreme. So let's get this other little box open here. It's not just brake pads. We got here. These are smaller, so they're going to be the backs. That's what we got. Power stop brake kit. These are drilled and slotted rotors. It's going to improve braking. They're also a little lighter than what is on the vehicle stock. This is going to lower the weight a little bit more. A lot of my mods, they're not only increasing performance. Actually, these might be the fronts, so they look pretty big, but the other box is bigger. So I assume they're the backs. These got to be the backs. As you can see, drilled and slotted power stop brakes. This is the Z26 Street Warrior Power Stop Brake Kit. That's what we're looking at here. This is, I believe, the back with the back brakes. That's why there's two different boxes here. The other bigger box should be the front brakes, with the front rotors are a little bit bigger than the backs. Again, this is Z26 Street Warrior Power Stop Brake Kit. You can get the Sport Kit, is a little bit cheaper. These were about 450 bucks for all four rotors and all the brakes for the front and the back. And if you go with the Power Stop Sport Kit, it's a little bit cheaper. But the brakes aren't as good. And I don't know about if the rotors are any different, but I know the brakes aren't the same. These brakes are supposed to stop better. They're also supposed to, as you see there, Z26 carbon fiber ceramic low dust. Supposed to put off less dust. Fast break-in, premium hardware included. So it looks like a pretty good kit. And again, I said I'm going to be doing some painting. So basically, I'm going to paint the calipers. I didn't get new calipers, and in this way also, I don't have to. If I don't replace the calipers, I don't have to bleed the brakes after I do this install. So I'm going to keep the same calipers I have. There are 2 pistons in the front, so they have pretty good calipers on their stock, but they just add a little bit better performance with power stop brake discs and better brake pads. So they say 20% more braking performance over stock with this kit. Like I said, you can get the sport kit. It's like 300 and some bucks. But I went ahead and got their best brakes and rotors that I could get without replacing the calipers. Again, I'm just going to tape off what I don't want paint on and then paint the calipers. I'm going to paint the caliper themselves red, and the little bracket that holds the caliper, I'm going to paint that black. Okay, so I want to just show too what all this comes with. This was just laying in the box with the rotors. I believe these are going to be on the slides. And then I was impressed when I opened this up. This also goes over the break-in for the new brakes, that it has all this in here. The new shims, the new the lubricant for these. I mean, I think that's pretty good that it came with all that stuff. And I would have did these, I wanted to do these last year, but my brakes were still okay. But now it's getting to where the car will shake a little bit when you come down hard on the brakes, which tells me one of the rotors, or maybe multiple rotors, are warped. So it's time to change the rotors and brakes. Might as well go with something a little better, something that looks a lot nicer. So let's look at those are the rears, and we'll see how much bigger the fronts look, if any. I know that I'm pretty sure the fronts are bigger, quite a bit bigger. That's why they're in a bigger box. 2 boxes again. And you're gonna have the new slides. Packaging. Here's the brakes for the front. Again, these are I have dual piston calipers on the front. It's just what it came with. Grease, and then the bigger brakes for the front. I think it's pretty good that it came with all that new hardware. You don't have to buy any of that stuff. It comes with it. Again, these are supposed to be low dust, ceramic fiber, carbon fiber ceramic. Okay, get the thing to go back there. Let's move that one. Move that one back. It's pretty easy to tell which ones are the front and the back. The front brakes are a lot bigger. Again, these are going to look well the same, just bigger. You can tell those are quite a bit bigger than the backs. Let's compare these to the backs. Yeah, it's not a lot bigger, but they are bigger. The front rotors are bigger. You do most of your braking with their front brakes. Most of the braking is done with your front brakes. Again, like I said, cross drilled and slotted. These are going to stop a lot better. They're going to look a lot better. I had these before on a Ram, because I had 22s on there. So anytime you got, especially if you got bigger wheels, it's really nice to have the cross drilled and slotted brake rotors behind there. So these are going to show up very noticeable behind the wheels. They'll not only look a lot better, they'll stop a lot better. And there's another box under there for the other front one. But that's going to be it for the video. I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you'd like. Again, hopefully it's nicer next weekend, and that's when I'll put them on. Right now it's raining today, so thank you all for watching. Until next time, Mopar Dad 84 out.